Hey everyone. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to Pi News World, your one-stop destination for all the latest updates and news about PiNetwork. Today, I've got some huge news for you. This is something that could change the game for all PiNetwork users. PiNetwork is about to be listed on COINBASE. That's right, COINBASE, one of the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. So, let's dive into what this means and why you should be excited. This is a monumental step for PiNetwork and its community. First up, let's talk about PiNetwork. What exactly is it, and why is it gaining so much attention? For those who might be new here, PiNetwork is a cryptocurrency that you can mine right from your mobile phone. Yes, you heard that right, from your mobile phone. No need for expensive hardware or technical expertise. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. It's all about making crypto accessible to everyone. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone just getting started, PiNetwork welcomes you. Now, why is this Coinbase listing such a big deal? What makes it so special for PiNetwork and its users? Well, Coinbase is one of the largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's a platform trusted by millions of users globally. Getting listed on Coinbase means more visibility, more credibility, and potentially more value for PiCoin. This could be a game changer for the entire PiNetwork community. Imagine being able to trade your PiCoins easily and seeing their value grow. But that's not all. There are more exciting updates to share. You might have heard about the transferable balance issue that's been affecting some Pi users. It's been a bit of a headache for many. The good news? It's been fixed. Yes, the team has worked hard to resolve this issue. That's right, you can now transfer your PiCoins smoothly and get ready for trading on Coinbase. This is a huge relief for many users. This fix couldn't have come at a better time. With the Coinbase listing on the horizon, everything is falling into place perfectly. So, what does this mean for you? How can you make the most of this opportunity? First, if you haven't already joined PiNetwork, now is the perfect time to start. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Mining Pi is super easy, and you can be part of a growing community that's on the brink of something huge. The community is vibrant and welcoming. Just download the PiNetwork app, start mining, and prepare for the Coinbase listing. It's as simple as that. For those already in the Pi community, this is your moment. The time you've been waiting for is finally here. Make sure your PiCoins are ready for transfer and keep an eye out for the official Coinbase listing date. Stay informed and be prepared. It's an exciting time to be part of PiNetwork, and the journey is just beginning. There's so much more to come. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is always evolving, and being early to the game can have huge benefits. Early adopters often see the most significant rewards. PiNetwork's mission is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, and this Coinbase listing is a giant leap in that direction. It's a step towards mainstream adoption. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Stay updated with all the latest news and developments. You don't want to miss any updates on PiNetwork's journey to the moon. The future is bright and full of possibilities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's get the word out there. Let's spread the word about PiNetwork and its exciting future. The more people know, the stronger our community becomes. Thanks for watching Pi News World, your go-to channel for all things PiNetwork. We appreciate your support and engagement. Stay tuned for more updates and, as always, happy mining. See you next time. Keep mining and stay excited.